Hey everyone, Kuzuzampula. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tuta ST and today we are tackling a very important, a super important topic for your board exam, radicals. This topic is for students of class 10 and this is the first video for class 10. I hope this benefits many across the country. Whether it's simplifying them, ordering them, or identifying perfect cubes, we have got you covered. Plus, we'll break down exactly how many questions to expect and the marks they carry. Let's dive in. Now, section 1, we have exam breakdown. First, let's understand how radicals appear in your exams. Based on past papers, number of questions, usually 2 to 3 questions on radicals, marks around 6.25 marks on average, minimum of 5, maximum 7. Question types, you get 4 types of questions. First one is identifying if an expression is a perfect cube. Second, ordering radicals, either in ascending or descending order. Third one is finding a missing value in a radical equation. And the last one is simplifying, not finding, simplifying radical expressions. So you see that you can't afford to skip this topic because you get just 3 questions at the max and all these questions are easy to answer. Now if I take you to the second section where I'll solve common radical questions, and if I go to question 1, my question is it a perfect cube? And you get a question of this sort with 2 marks. And if I give you example on the screen, is cube root of 125 x raised to 6 a perfect cube? Explain. Now let's break down. A perfect cube has an exponent divisible by 3. This is very important for students to note. Remember, a perfect cube has an exponent divisible by 3. Here, 125 can be written as 5 raised to 3, which is a perfect cube. And another one is x raised to 6, and this can be written as x square whole raised to 3, which is also a perfect cube. So yes, this expression, cube root of 125 x raised to 6 is a perfect cube. Question 2, ordering radicals. If you get a question to order radicals either in ascending or descending order, you expect question of 2 marks. If this is our question, arrange in ascending order, and these are my radicals, root of 5, cube root of 9 and fourth root of 17. If you are not asked to convert this kind of radical into entire radical, the question is very easy to answer. You can simply take out your calculator and you just have to punch in all this and see which has the smallest value and which has the greatest value. Now if I take root of 5 is 2.236, and if I take root of a cube root of 9, you get 2.080, and if I take fourth root of 17, you get 2.031. Now you can see that if I order, the least is fourth root of 17 and the greatest is root of 5. And this is how we write fourth root of 17 is less than cube root of 9 and cube root of 9 is less than root of 5. That's it. That's your answer. Now if I take you through question number 3, that is to simplify radicals. If there's a question asking you to simplify radicals, this will carry 3 marks. And if I give you one example, this is the example. Simplify root of 50 plus 2 root of 18 minus root of 8. If I break this down into perfect squares, you're going to get root of 50. I can write it as root of 25 times 2, where 25 is a perfect square. You get 5 root of 2 because root of 25 is 5. Now 2 root of 18, I can write it as 2 root of 9 times 2 because 9 is a perfect square and root of 9 is 3. And if I multiply with the number already outside the radical sign, you're going to get 2 times 3, which is 6 root of 2. And if I find root of 8, you're going to get root of 4 times 2, which is nothing but 2 root of 2. And if I take combine all like terms, you're going to get 5 root of 2 plus 6 root of 2 minus 2 root of 2. I can take root of 2 common. You're going to get 5 plus 6 minus 2 root of 2, which is equal to 9 root of 2. that's it. So if you practice these three types of questions, I'm pretty much sure that you'll nail those 6 marks. Thank you, everyone.